easy to understand. Online team, is my voice is clear? Voice issue. Can I get a better response? Is my voice is clear? All right. Thanks. Let's continue. We can create a list data structure by using a square brackets. By using what exactly, sir? Square brackets. I hope you already covered these are all example. Yes, come on, tell me. Let me ask a question. Sir, can somebody talk with me? How many variables actually in the given example? One variable. What is that variable name? Values. How many functions? Sir, seriously, two, right? What are those function names? Next one is a type. That's what. Whenever you are looking at the program from starting to ending, first always list out the variables. Always list out what exactly? Good practice. Once the variable list out, hold on, sir. Let us take this one. How to analyze this program, how to understand the program, the best way. How to understand the program. Understand program actually. There are some components are available that you need to understand. The first one, yes, good. Values. Values is called as what exactly? Variable. What is that one? Variable. Next one, functions. Let me just try to give, functions actually. How many functions would you have? As of now, print function. Next one is what exactly? Type function. Like that you need to divide actually. It's a kind of better understanding. What we had written, you should know clear picture actually. That would be really great helpful for you. Okay, let's move on. Sir, simple. Same thing like the tuple data structure we can create by using a parenthesis symbol. Tuple can store what exactly? Group of value. It's a very simple. Come on. We can create a set data structure by using a curly brace, also called as a flower brace. Anything we can use. And but one point I would like to say, list data structure, tuple data structure is disciplined. Disciplined in the sense, how you are giving input actually 10, 20, 30, 40. Output also will get what exactly? 10, 20, 30, 40. But set data structure, no guarantee. Output order is no guarantee. What is no guarantee actually? Order. That is called as a indiscipline. That is called as what exactly? Indiscipline, not a discipline manner. Yes, we can create a dictionary data structure by using a curly brace. Dictionary can store group of values in the form of what exactly? Key value pair. Just try to see. 1 Jeshwant, 2 Kumari, 3 Prasad, 4 Daniel. All right. The last one is a range data type. What is the time? Yep. Once let me connect with online team. Good. Seems to be everything is going fine. It's a right time I need to continue. Come on, let's continue. Sir, next one is what exactly? Range data type. Come on. It's a very simple. Please focus. First of all, I will cover what is a range data type actually. Range data type. Sir, whenever you are learning about the range data type, let us just try to understand about the three things actually. How many things we are going to understand? First of all, what is range you need to understand. Next one, how to create range you need to understand. How to create range you need to understand. Then how to access actually. How to access range data type you need to understand. Please listen carefully. Very interesting. The first one is when I'm talking about the range data type, 3 points you need to focus. What is the first one? Hey Daniel, what is the range? What do you mean by range? Why we are learning this one actually? That is the first I'm going to cover. Second one will be once you understand the definition, what is the range? The second one immediately, how to create a range data type you need to understand. And the third, the last one is what exactly? How to access. Can somebody tell me what is the first one? Create. What is the range? Second one is how to create a range. Next one is how to access. Good, good. Hold on. I just wanted to highlight this role. What? Next one is how to create. Next one is how to create actually. Hold on, hold on. This is what is important, sir. Next one is access. Please follow this one. Very, very interesting actually. Good. So what is the first one, sir? Tell me. What is the range? Good. Sir, till now, what we have seen, yeah, let me tell you. A equals to 10. A equals to what exactly? 10, integer value. B equals to what is this one? 20.34. C equals to what exactly? Daniel. Very good. And D equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Good. Can somebody tell me? Tell me, sir, very quickly. How many variables? Tell me. What are those variables? A, B, C, D. Can I say that one? Good. What is the first data type? Integer. Second data type? Float. Third data type? String. Last one is pretty clear. Good. Last two things are called as what exactly? Sequence. What is that one? Sequence. But my requirement will be, what is my requirement? Hey Daniel, sometimes range matter. What matters actually? Range. What do you mean by range? I just wanted to know starting value. What I wanted to know? Starting value. Next one is the end value. What is the next one, sir? End value. I mean to say that is called as a range. That is called as what exactly? Range. Range in the sense, I just want, hey Daniel, I just wanted to start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What exactly, sir? 10. Can somebody tell me what is the starting value? 1. What is the end value? Sir, this is called as the range. Hey Daniel, can I create a range of value? If somebody is asking about the range of value, indirectly he is asking starting value. Next one is what exactly? Ending value. In between group of values. In between what exactly? Sir, what is the starting value here? Can somebody tell me? 1. What is the end value actually? 10. But in between how many values would we have? 2 to 9. How many values would we have? Sir, this is called as a range data type. This is called as what exactly? Range data type. I hope you understand. I don't want to create a not only 10 value. I just wanted to create a range of value. Yes, we can create. I don't want to create a here. There is no range actually. 10, 20, 30, 40 group of values. But here I wanted to create a range of values. We can create a range of values. We can create what exactly, sir? Range. First of all, did you understand the definition? Good. Now it's the right time. I hope you understand what is a range data type actually. Range data type is a very simple. Range data type having starting value, ending value, in between group of value. In between what exactly, sir? Group of value. Yes. Now, when you're talking about the range data type, it is having starting value. What value, sir? Starting value. Next one is end value. And in between group of values. In between what exactly? Group of values. Group of what exactly? Values. I already told you, whenever you are learning about the range data type, three things we are going to learn. Get ready. What is the first one? What is a range? Tell me, sir. What is a range? Second one is how to create. Third one, one more time. First one, what is a range? How to? Last one, perfect, sir. You are following it seriously, very nicely. Let's move on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Now it's the right time. How to create? In a very simple way, I will tell you how to create actually. Yeah, I'm going to introduce one more function. I'm going to introduce what exactly? One more function. Get ready. Till now, how many functions we have seen? Two functions, sir. How many functions we have seen? Two functions. Tell me what is the first one? Print. Very good. What is the first one actually? Print. Print. Parameter. Second one is a type. Very good. Today, now I'm going to introduce one more function. That function name is a range. What is that function name? One more time. Last time. Very good. Good. Now let me tell you. Sir, range of value, range data type, we can create in a three ways. We can create in what exactly? Three ways actually. Let me tell you. The first one is by using range of one parameter. By using what exactly? Range of only one parameter, P1 actually. And second one will be by using range of two parameter, P1 comma P2. P1 comma what exactly? P2. I mean to say starting value. Next one is what exactly? End value. Come on, one more time. Starting value. Next one is what exactly? End value actually. One more thing, range function. Three parameters: starting value, end value. Next one is what exactly? No, skip actually. Something like a skip. But let me tell you, this we are not using in real time. We are not using in real time. Real time actually. But as per the syntax, you need to understand. Come on, I'm repeating one more time. We can create a range of values. We can create what exactly? Range of values by using a range data type. There are mainly three predefined functions. How many predefined functions actually? Three predefined function. What is the first predefined function actually? Syntax: range of one parameter. Range of what exactly? One parameter. Only one parameter, sir. Array Daniel, can I create a range of two parameters? Sir, you can create. Can I create a range of three parameter? You can create. Can I create a range of 4 parameter? No, sir. You are violating the rule actually. You are violating what exactly? Only these three is possible. Let me show you one by one. What is the first one we are going to see? Do let me know. Range actually. Are you ready? Come on. Good. Let me drink water. Good. Sir, can we learn? Can we learn during exception handling? Would you have a separate discussion? Exception handling. During that time, we will understand when we will get what error, when we will get what type of error actually, what type of error, what type of error. Would you have a separate document? I request you, Harish sir, kindly please wait. Actually, I'm sure we are going to understanding very nicely, very nicely. Let's continue the discussion. For your information, sir, from the starting day, from what exactly starting day to till last today, assuming that the course last today, actually last today, you can feel same thing like this, no doubt at all. From the starting minute to till last minute, you will get more interesting actually. I'm sure I can give a guarantee. Maybe 1 or 2 persons may sleep actually. How many persons? 1 or 2 persons. That too might be those guys having some family tension. They joined at course actually. Here they can get a nice sleeping actually. Are you clear? Good. But other guys, I'm telling, I'm sure you will understand each and every point with practical. With what exactly, sir? Practical. Are you ready? Yeah, good. Let's continue. Yeah, range data type we are covering. Let us continue. Come on. Let me explain. This theory I can read later actually, slowly by slowly. Come on, sir, get ready. Uh, Let us create a creating range of value. What exactly actually range of values actually? How to create? The first one I'm going to cover range function. What I'm going to cover actually? Range function. Range function, one parameter. Range function, what exactly? One parameter, which is real interesting. Look at my screen. R equals to, otherwise you can give A equals to, sir, 10. Print of what exactly, tell me 10 actually. What is the data type actually? Tell me. Data type is what exactly? Yeah, very good. Let's save this example. And I can, let me just try to run this example very quickly. All right. What we are going to get actually? Good, very good. Left hand side, what is that one? Can somebody talk with me? LHS equals to RHS. Left hand side, what is available? That is called as a variable. Right hand side, what is available? That is called as a value. Am I right? Sir, today, if you wanted to create a range of value, left hand side, name of the variable, syntax never change. Right hand side, instead of hard coding the value, what you can provide, you have to provide one function. Function name is called as a range. Function name is called as what exactly? Range actually. I'm repeating one more time. Left hand side, we have hard coded the value. We fixed the value. 10, 20, 30, 40, something like that we are providing it. Yes, sir. Online team, hold on. Good evening. Yes, sir. Sure, sure. 1 minute. Online team, kindly please hold on. We got a lab mentors actually, kind of small announcement, and let us announce, sir. Yes, sir, please. There is the tour lab. Please come to lab for at least 2 hours for the practicing. There are 4 mentors. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sure, sure. All right. And yeah, wait, I will explain. Let me tell you, the power of Nareshati is, it's not like we are delivering the session, you are practicing. It was not like that actually. We do have a separate mentors. We do have what exactly? Mentor actually. Why mentor, sir? Tell me. Just to call them and playing jokes, am I right? No, no, no. If you are getting any kind of doubt, actually, I'm sure that doubt is going to solve within fraction of minutes, no matter what actually. Right. And separate team, we have a separate team actually if anyone is facing any issue. And would you have a physical lab here also, third floor, right? Third floor actually. Would you have a lab in physical third floor? Ashok, how are you? Would you like to tell anything? Yeah, tell please. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. And team, I hope you understand. Would you have a separate lab mentor session? Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. Good. So back to the session. Yeah. Here, what we done, did you forget the topic actual? No, right? I wanted to hear from you. What is the topic name? Range data. What is the topic name? Range data type actually. Good. Let's continue. What do you mean by range? I just wanted to create here 10 means only single value you are printing. But I just wanted to print range of value 1 to 10, 1 to 100, 1 to 1000, 1 to 1 crore, Daniel. Sir, no limitation. Up to you. If you are having the time, you can print 10 crores also. Million values also you can print. That's the power of the Python. Now let me show you. Right hand side, instead of hard coding the value, you just need to call one function. That function name is the range actually. That function name is what exactly? Range. Left hand side, name of the variable. Right hand side, what exactly? Range. Right hand side, what exactly? Here, tell me how many values you wanted to create. 10 values, right? Let me provide a 10. Otherwise, let me provide 20. Otherwise, let me provide 50. Sir, up to you. How much you want, you can create actually. But let me tell you. Let me create a 10 value. Let me create what exactly? 10 value. Indirectly, what we are asking, we are asking to the Python, hey, Python, look at my example. I'm planning to create a group of value, range of value. These range of values, total how many values, sir? 10 values. Come on, tell me how many values? 10 values. But you know what? Let me print first of all. Hold on. Let us take this one. Online team, any questions? Literally, sorry. Let's continue. All right. Now let's execute this example. First of all, please focus. Good. Sir, before explaining about this example, I just wanted to give a small kick introduction. What is a small kick introduction? Hold on. Delete the example. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of A. Print of what exactly? A. Sir, what is the value you are providing actually? Do let me know. The values will be 10, 20, 30, 40. One more time. 10, 20, 30. If I am asking, there is a reason actually. In a list data structure, the values are getting exposing. The values are getting printing actually. In input, you can see, output also you can see actually. But when you're talking about the range data type, it cannot expose the value. Hidden. The values are what exactly? Hidden. If you want, just try to go back, take the code actually, take the same code, replace with this code actually. Now let me just try to print this one. Okay, just try to please understand actually. Means range data type backend 10 values created actually. How many values it is created? 10 values it is created. Let me tell you. Assuming that there is a student and I call him like a second class student. And I am asking, I'm just trying to asking him, tell me the numbers. Tell me what exactly? Sir, we are all humans. Number always starts from what exactly? 1. Let me tell you, assuming that there is a small student and we are calling him, tell me the numbers means always he will start from what exactly? Number 1 actually. But Python always starts counting from what exactly? 0. That point you need to catch actually. Whenever you are calling the range function, that to starting you are not providing. What you are not providing actually? Starting you are providing. Directly you are specifying one value. Directly you are specifying what exactly? One value. Then Python backend, it will start from the counting will be what exactly? 0. Tell me 0. Next one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one is very good. I hope you got the point actually. Whenever you are providing here 10 minus 1, it will be applied back and automatically. Why minus 1? Because counting is starting from what exactly? 0. That point you need to catch actually. Right, good. I will show you. Hey, Daniel, don't play the jokes. You are telling like values are hidden. Can we see actually? We can see, sir. Just spare 2 minutes actually. I will show you. Just try to come here. Let us take the theory. What is the point? First point here, range function created 10 values. How many values, sir? 10 value. Now the starting value is what exactly? 0. And what is the last value? End value is what is end value, sir? 9 actually. I mean to say that, come on, equals to range of 10 actually. Then what all values it will create? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Something is missing, sir. 7, 8, 9. Good. Let us just try to provide Perfect. I hope you got it. Do you think 10 actually? Do you think 10? No, no. Now get ready. I'm going to ask a few more questions. It's really interesting. You are getting right what I'm saying? Good. This is the way. Hey, Daniel, it's a cool. We understand very clearly how to create a range of value. Same thing like that. Can I create a 100 values? Sir, we can create. Can I create a 200 value? Yes, we can create actually. But as of now, let me create only 10 values. How many values actually? 10 values. Come on, back to the our discussion actually. B equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Let me print what exactly? B. Let me print what exactly? B actually. Now just try to come here and you can just try to replace this one. Good. Can somebody talk with me? How many variables I have created? Sir, tell me how many variables? Two variables. What is the first one? 1 minute. What is the first one actually? Range. Second one is a B. Yeah. First one is range data type. Second one is what exactly? Yeah. Sir, list to data structure. What are all values are available? It is exposing a kind of, it is printing actually. Now let us just try to print this one. It is able to print all these values actually. But when you're talking about the range data type is not capable, inability to print the values actually. Then you may ask a question. No matter what, I wanted to see all values actually. Sir, you can see from the range. That's what I told. What is the third point actually? Can somebody tell me? When I'm discussing about the range actually, 3 points I told. What is the first point? What is a range? Second point, how to create. Third point, one more time. That's what you need to understand. Why? Because when you're talking about the list data structure, accessing is not required. Why? Because by default it is showing actually. When you're talking about the range data type, you should understand how to access. You should understand what exactly. Easy, sir. Very easy. Now, how to access, how to access range value. How to access range value? The answer will be by using for loop. By using what exactly? There are two ways. First one is index actually. First one is what exactly? Index. We are not using in real time. And in real time, we are using for loop. What we are using actually? For loop. Now, let me tell you what do you mean by for loop. Get ready, sir. Equals to range of what exactly? 10. Range of what exactly? 10. Good. Now it's a right time. I wanted to print all values one by one. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah. Value starting from 0 till what exactly? 9 actually. How to print, by using a for loop. By using what exactly? For loop actually. What is a for loop? These are all flow control chapter. What chapter actually, sir? In a flow control chapter, I will explain very clearly what is a for, why we are using actually. But today, just understand the syntax. Understand what exactly? Syntax. First of all, understand the syntax. For keyword, what is required actually? For keyword. So let me tell you. Whenever you're talking about the for keyword having the one best friend. My best friend name is a Subbu Anna. My best friend name is what exactly? Subbu. Same thing like that. When you're talking about the Python for loop actually, it is always having one best friend. That best friend name is called as a in. What is that best friend name actually? Sorry, in means not linked in actually. That point you need to catch. For and what exactly? In. Syntax. Can somebody tell me? I'm writing for actually. Immediately what I need to write? Tell me, sir. No doubt at all. You have to remember that one. Good. Next one. After in, provide here column symbol. What symbol you need to provide? Column symbol. Come on, tell me. What is the first one? For in column. One more time. For in column. Very good. Sir, let us target in. Let us target what exactly? Left. LHS is available, RHS is available. What is available? LHS is available, RHS is available. Come on. One more time, please, actually. For in column. Target the in keyword. Target what keyword actually? Now just try to come here. What you need to provide? LHS. Next one is perfect, sir. You understand actually very clearly. Now let us just try to replicate the code. What I mean to say, right hand side, take the name of the variable. What is the name of the variable? A. Right hand side A actually. Right hand side what exactly? A. Good. And left hand side, just try to follow the syntax. Left hand side, just try to provide one name of the variable. Tell me one name of the variable. Either I or else can I take B actually? Can I take what exactly? B. Come on, sir. I need response from you. Get ready. It's a very simple. Come on. Very simple. For next one is in column. For in what exactly? RHS and in what exactly? LHS. Sir, RHS is always existing name of the variable. What is the existing name of the variable? Yeah, very good. Let us just try to provide here actually. And LHS is give some random name. Give some what exactly? Random variable name. Let me give as a B. Let me give as what exactly? 99% your code is done actually. Now go to the next line. Go to what exactly? Next line. Here you need to provide one space actually. One tab space. What you need to provide actually? Tab space. That is called as a indentation. That is called as what exactly? Indentation. One more time. Last time. What is indentation? I can cover later here actually. Print. Sir, here LHS value you need to print. What is LHS value actually? LHS value. What is LHS value actually, sir? B, right? Yeah, very good. No worries, no worries. LHS value is what exactly? B. Sir, get ready. Go to the file and save and execute this example. This is seriously super. Wow. As I told you, range, how many values it is available? 10 values. Started from what exactly? 0 till to what exactly? 9. Now it's the right time. You need to understand what is the magic. What is the jantar mantra behind of this for loop? You need to understand actually. Let me tell you what is that one. First, I wanted to hear from you. Come on, sir. For. Next one is a in. Next one is column. Good. Target the in. LHS is required. What is required? Target the in. RHS is required. Sir, RHS is all. First of all, do you know LHS and RHS? Tell me. Left hand side, right hand side. Simple. Since our childhood we are learning actually. RHS means always provide the existing name of the variable. What you need to provide? Existing name of the variable standard. LHS side, let us give some variable name. Now let me provide C actually. Previously I have given B. That variable name, anything you can give actually. Now move on to the next line. And immediately you should not print actually. You have to provide one tab space. What you need to provide actually? Tab space. Now just try to come here. Go to the virtual keyboard actually. Go to what exactly? Virtual keyboard. Sir, this example I will show you 2 to 3 times. Keep your cursor here. Print. Press what exactly? Tab space. Now here you can type print of what I need to print here actually. What is LHS value? C. Perfectly all right. Now let me provide here 20. What I wanted to provide, sir? 20. So how many values you are going to get? 0 to? Tell me, sir. Very good. Just try to say. Hey, Daniel, can I provide 200 actually, sir? Up to you. Daniel, can I provide 2000? Up to you. Can I provide 20,000? We don't have that much time, sir. Are you clear? I mean, we can print actually. There is no limitation. If you want, you can print actually. There is no time. Right, good. Keep on, it is getting printing all these values. Beautiful, right? Previously, a equals to 10, single value. But range is a predefined function. By using that, we are creating what exactly? Range of value. There is a starting value and there is what exactly? End value. Now it's the right time. Backend, how it is working, Daniel? So there is a beautiful website. The website name is what exactly? Yeah, Python tutor only. Here, let me write the code, sir. Here, let me just try to write the code actually. Come on. So how to write the code? Can somebody tell me? A equals to range of 10 for, tell me, in, next one is a column, and this is what exactly? RHS. Next one is a LHS. Very good. LHS actually. Go to the next line. You know what? In a notepad, you need to provide the indentation. But whenever you are working with this online, just press enter button, indentation automatically came. According to this no syntax actually. Good. Now just try to provide here what exactly, sir? Print actually. What I need to print, do let me know. Let us make it this one is a. Let us make it this one is a B. What I need to print actually? B. Sir, look at the screen. Beautiful. You can understand what is exactly happened. Good. Now click on visualize execution. What you need to click on, click on visualize execution. Wow, sir. How many lines of the code we had written? Do let me know. How many lines of the code we had written? 1, 2, 3. But back end, how many times it is rotating? 22 times. How many times? Seriously, we'll see. Good. First one, click on what exactly? Next, tell me, sir. Next, then range object is created. What is created actually? Range object. Good. Sir, here onwards, see the beauty. Inside range, 0 to 9 values would you have? How many would you have? Now here, this B is a variable. It works something like a temporary variable. It works something like a counter variable. First time, it will enter into range and there is a first value. First value is a 0. that B variable capture the 0 value. What value actually? Now click on to the next actually. Wow, exactly happened. B is a variable, temporary variable. What variable actually? Then this B variable is taking the first value. What is the first value? 0. And it is going beside of this one and it is printing actually. Then here what you are going to see actually, do let me know. 0. Wow. Then immediately the flow came back actually. The flow, what exactly? Why the flow came back? Why? Because other values also would have. What is this next value? Can somebody tell me? 1. Instead of 0, what you are going to get here actually? Yeah, click on to the next 1. Press. What is the next value? 2. Press. What is the next value? Can I say this is dancing in between actually? Something like a natyam. Natyam just not. Am I right or not? Click on what exactly? This is seriously amazing, sir. Now what you need to understand, for is a loop. For is what exactly? Loop. By using that, we can print all values one by one. What is that one actually? One by one. For is a one concept in Python. For is called as a loop actually. For is called as what exactly? Loop. By using for loop, what we can do, sir, we can print values one by one. We can print values what exactly? Team, are you with me? Good. Let me just try to, you may ask a question. Hello, Daniel. Can I provide here something like a 5 actually? You can print, sir. What all values you are going to get? Do let me know. 0 to 4. Do you think 5 actually? No. Let us just try to print this one. Sorry, what is example? Demo 5. Good. All right. 0 to what exactly? 5. Yeah, 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Good. Sir, just for your better understanding, I am providing this much space actually, but generally we should not provide that much space actually. How we can write, the same code will be, yeah, for C in, tell me, A, column, go to the next line, and indentation. Here, what you need to print actually, this is the best way. Previously, just for your better understanding, your understanding really matters actually. Once you understand, let us set right, walk through in a real-time standard. Walk through in what exactly? Real-time standard. Let's take the same example. The same example, let me write in a real-time way. Let me write in what exactly? Real-time way actually. Just try to hold on. Values equals to range of 10. Range of what exactly? 10 actually. Now I just wanted to use for loop actually. For value in values. Wow. Read one more time. Value in value. Seriously super. Means, hey, is there any value in where exactly? Values. Yes. Is there any fruit is available in fruits basket actually? Yes. One by one. Then what I need to print, sir? Do let me know. Print value. Seriously super. Read everyone. For value in values, print value. Python is something like a learning English. Learning what exactly, sir? The syntax is seriously super. You can easy to understand actually. Right, good. Now let's execute this example. Wow, 0 to what exactly? 9. Hey, Daniel, can I give 55? Sir, up to you. There is no limitation. Let us just try to provide 0 to what exactly? 50. Can I give 5,000 actually? We don't have a time. Whenever you are doing practice, you can play this code actually, sir. What is the time now? All right, good. Let me, yeah, let me, in last 2 minutes actually, let me walk through the theory. Did you understand what I covered actually? I hope you understand, right? Yeah, good. Yeah, range is a data type in Python. Generally, range means group of values from what exactly, sir? Starting to ending. Creating a range of value. We can create a range of values by using what exactly? Range predefined function. What function actually? Sir, till now we understand 3 functions. What is the first function? Print, type, range. One more time. Print, type, range. Last time. Print. Perfect. As discussed, we can create a range of values by using range function. Hope P should be integer, otherwise we'll get an error. Ignore the discussion. A equals to range of 5. Print of A. Type of what exactly? A actually. What is the data type? Do let me know. Range. If you provide range of 5, then range object holds what exactly? 0 to 4 value. 0 to what exactly? 4 value. Good. This one, I'm not in a hurry. Can I continue this one tomorrow? This one I will continue tomorrow. I never be hurry, sir. So the time is up actually. Let me finish this one closely very quickly today. Tomorrow we can continue the next topic. No. I'm not in a hurry. Tomorrow, first to 5 minutes, we are going to close this range data type actually. Then immediately we are going to starting what exactly? Operators discussion. What is the discussion? Under operator. On an average 1.5 hour discussion, sir. Tomorrow we are going to close the operators topic. We'll see accordingly. Are you fine, sir? Are you getting the sessions? Right. So by this time, everyone should understand. If anyone is unable to understand, you can please connect with me. I will help you, and I will help you with kind of some alternative also. Hey Daniel, I'm unable to understand your teaching. Actually, it's okay. We have a multiple trainers. Actually, you can shift with any other batch. Actually, all right. We done for today's session. As usual, I need to upload the material. Actually, let me upload the material, sir. Yeah. Let me upload the material, please. I hope I already uploaded, but running notes I need to upload. Am I right? Yes, sir. Good. Come on. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sir, admin. WhatsApp admin number. Sir, can you share your number actually? One more time, please. WhatsApp admin. One more. Sir, tell me your number. 7329828. Right? Good. Sir, please, everyone should be available in WhatsApp group actually. We already created a WhatsApp group in offline. One of the team member, our friend created actually. Kindly please send a text message. Can you please add in a WhatsApp group actually? Then so he takes care about how to add actually. Please, everyone should be available. Everyone requesting. Hey, no, Daniel, I won't like actually. It is okay. Up to you. If you won't like to join actually, it is up to you. Otherwise, if you are having any doubts, you can connect with me one to one. I can help you actually. But I don't want to leave you. Let's continue. One minute. Rajesh, ma'am, are you with us? Sri Sneha, ma'am. Can we create a float in a range actually? You know what? By using array, we can create actually. By using a numpy, we can create, but in Python, it is not possible. Sneha. Yes, session is Srikant. Session is very good. Okay. It is very clear. All right, sir. We will only use the range concept only when we wanted to create a loop actually. Dinesh, it's not like that. Once we entered into the what exactly, data analysis, you will understand what is the power of range data type, sir. All right. Lots of work. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. STR is whether a sequence data type. Yes, we can say. Srikant. Come on, let's continue. Is anyone is joining from Chennai and Andhra? Tamil Nadu and Andhra? How is the weather there, sir? How is the weather actually? Please take care. I came across. It's a kind of cyclone, right? Andhra raining. Oh, Harish. What about Tamil Nadu? Anyone is joining from Tamil Nadu? Go back. 5:30. Go to the running notes. This I need to upload. Anything is pending from my side? No, right, sir? Seems to be. Data types document I already uploaded actually. Can I upload operators also? Uploaded, right? Let me upload next operators topic actually. I know you guys are more interested actually. You wanted to see the material. Let me upload upcoming material. What is the next topic? Input and output, I guess. The next topic name is a input and output. Yeah, input and output. Sir, how is the material? Good, right? Able to understand, I guess, for your better understanding. This material you can use for the revision purpose. Once you are attending the session, you have to use this material for revision purpose. All right, we done for today's session, and the team again we can catch again and what exactly tomorrow. If anyone is not available in WhatsApp group, kindly please join in WhatsApp group actually. Thank you. We done for today's session. Thank you so much for joining.